Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a free Minecraft server from start to finish. To begin, open a web browser and head to your preferred search engine. I'm using Google Chrome and Google Search, but feel free to use any browser or search engine you like. Look up Minecraft Server Download and ensure you click on the official Minecraft website, minecraft.net. This tutorial is focused on Minecraft Java Edition, so make sure you download the Java Edition server file from the site. Once the file starts downloading, remember that the location of downloaded files can vary depending on your browser. Typically, you'll find it in your Downloads folder. Drag the downloaded server file to your desktop for easier access. Next, create a folder on your desktop to organize everything. Right-click on your desktop, choose New, then Folder, and give it a clear name like Minecraft Server. Move the server file into this folder. It's important to ensure that Java is installed on your computer, as the server file requires it to run. If the file isn't recognized as a Java executable, you likely don't have Java installed. To fix this, search for Java in your browser, visit java.com, and download the latest 64-bit version for Windows. Install Java as you would any other program and restart your computer once it's done. After installation, go back to the server file, right-click on it, and select Open With. Choose Java TM Platform SE Binary from the options. If you don't see it, click More Apps to locate it. If there are still issues, you might need a Jarfix, which you can find tutorials for online. Double-click the server file, and it will generate additional files in the folder. Locate the eula.txt file, open it, and read the end-user license agreement by copying the provided link into your browser. If you agree, change eula false to eula true in the file and save your changes. Once the agreement is updated, launch the server file again. A console will open and the server will begin preparing the spawn area, which involves generating the world. After this process is complete, your server will be up and running. To personalize your server, close the console by clicking the X button. Open the server.properties file using Notepad or a similar text editor. This file allows you to modify settings like the game difficulty or game mode. After making any changes, save the file. To test your server, reopen the server file and launch Minecraft using the same version as your server. Navigate to Multiplayer, then Add Server or Direct Connection and enter localhost as the server address. Once you join, you'll notice your player has connected in the server console. If you want admin privileges, type OP, your username, in the server console. This gives you operator rights, enabling you to use commands like changing the in-game time. If you'd like friends to join your server, you'll need to set up port forwarding on your network. This step allows others to connect via your public IP address. Be cautious when sharing this information and only share it with people you trust, as it reveals your general location. And that's it. You now know how to create a Minecraft server for free.